In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Fitbit to MyFitnessPal step by step. This process is incredibly useful if you're looking to synchronize your fitness data seamlessly, ensuring that your exercise, step count, and other metrics are accurately reflected across both platforms. Let's jump in and make these apps work together flawlessly. First, start by opening your MyFitnessPal app on your mobile device. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to do so. So click on the login option. Enter your email address and password carefully to access your account. Once you're in and you've reached the main dashboard, look towards the bottom of the screen for the three dots, often referred to as the More tab. Now go ahead and tap on the three dots to enter the additional settings menu. Here, you'll see several different options. You'll want to click on the one labeled Steps. It might be tempting to skip this step, but it's crucial for synchronizing your Fitbit with your MyFitnessPal account. Once you're in the Steps section, look for the option that says Fitbit and give it a tap. This will bring up the options to connect your Fitbit device. You'll see a button that says Connect, inviting you to make the connection between MyFitnessPal and Fitbit. Tap this button to move forward. Next, you'll be directed to a Fitbit login page. Here, you'll need to enter your Fitbit email and password to proceed with the connection. Once those details are in, hit Login to verify your access. Following successful login, you'll have the option to continue with Google if that's your preferred way of managing your accounts. Click on Continue with Google and select the Google account you want to associate with this connection. After selecting your Google account, you'll be presented with some boxes that need your approval. Carefully review these options, check the boxes, and then click on Agree and Continue to accept the terms. You may need to enter some additional details about yourself, so go ahead and fill in any necessary fields with your details entered and confirmed. Hit Save and Continue to proceed. You'll be prompted once more to click on Continue, so be sure to do that. And again, you'll have to click on Agree and Continue to finalize the agreement. Now, ensure all the permission toggles required for syncing are turned on. These toggles will ensure that all necessary data is shared between Fitbit and MyFitnessPal. Once done, click on Save and Continue to progress to the next screen. Finally, as you prepare to complete the integration, you'll see an option to Allow All. Click this to approve all the permissions once more. You may be redirected to click Allow again, confirming your choice, and there you have it. With everything set up, click on Get Started Now to finish the connection process and start enjoying your synced fitness data.